So I picked these guys up here at the swap meet a couple weekends ago. Haven't even tried to fire them or nothing. I got 15 bucks for both of them. One's a Power Mac 320, and the other one, this one is a Mini Mac 35. It's loose there. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it might be the muffler there. No idea if they run. But for 15 bucks for both of them, I guess I couldn't pass them up. It's kind of my new addiction here. I got a Pro Mac 1010 there in the bottom, and then I got a 610 up there that I picked up for 25 bucks or something at another swap meet. So needless to say, the McCullochs here have become my new addiction. So I'll put some fuel in these and I'm gonna see what they do. God. That was with no starting fluid, nothing. Only thing I did was pull the spark plug out, clean it off with a rag. That was it. Yeah, I'm out of breath from yanking on that thing. My arms are sore, man. Well, let's see if we can get that one to run. Well, we're gonna do the same thing on this one. Choke it. See what that does. Oh no. That's a bummer. starting to notice that she's leaking some gas here. This is what broke on it. Looks like that's the choke there. These are your screws that you adjust. So this is what holds the throttle open. But what we're getting, leaking raw fuel right out of the exhaust. So that's telling me that she is extremely flooded. If I can get this thing to focus. So I'm gonna see if I can unflood her and then see what she does there. So the only thing I did with the camera off is I just grabbed the trigger and yanked on it, and she popped right away. That would be 3 for 3 McCullochs that I bought so far. I haven't had to touch anything. Just fill them up, shake them around, pull them a bunch, get all out of breath, and they fire it up. The 610 that I bought, man, it fired right up too. I think it's the 610. The 1010 I bought running, that thing's a beast. So I love these old things. These are my new addiction, for sure. For sure. Cool. Getting cleaned up here. Find this broken piece. And, I also need the thing right here, some kind of auto sharpener. Yeah, get them cleaned up and get them ready for winter.